Hello, my name is Michael, and today I'm going to introduce the useful feature from WordLab 3. At the first one, we open this file, first quarter forecast, then we see a chart here and spreadsheet here, but a set uh, value, so that's an error. So when we do a big spreadsheet, then sometimes it's hard to find this kind of error. So we can use this one formula. Then wait, where is that? The error checking. Then you can see that where you did error. So let's see. We see this one error and error. So for example, I want to correct these two first. So should be 400 instead of star 400. So the entire chart will change. Will the the error will not appear anymore. So after you correct this one should be correct. Then again, we want the, for example, we want the average for January, February, and March. Then we create one more column. Then we say AVG for average. Then we centralize it. I'll do two more. This one is proportion. Wait a second, proportion. Proportion. And this one will do standard deviation. Sometimes this one is very useful. And we got this three. The next step is we blacken it. We can also double click this for okay, there we are. So for example, I want an average here, so I click this one, then insert equal sign, then we have average, then we highlight January, February. Don't highlight the total. So then we hit this. Wait. I'm sorry, that was an error. So this one, we hit equal sign, then we choose average. We have to choose from here. Then we can select January, February, and March. Don't select the total because the total is out of our calculation. So I hit enter. Then here is my average. I drag this down to here. So this is my average. We can keep dragging down, but here, if you drag them to here, we will have error. So you can separate out, or we can calculate the proportion. The idea for proportion is use the total for this 3 months to divide it by total cell. So we can create the calculation. This one we divide it by this one. Then we have the answer. So you can, but you cannot drag it down because this one will keep subtracting the next one. So you can also do this one equal sign, this one divided by this one. Then we have this two. Then you can drag it down. So you can, by doing this, we can keep going to finish the proportion. And you can see that here, if you want to change the percentage, it's easy. So you can change the percentage by clicking this button, which is easy. So here is the standard deviation. I want to calculate the standard deviation for January, February, and March. So we click equal sign, then we click, we will write SD standard deviation. The shortcut for standard deviation should be STDEV. So this one of January to February. Then we hit enter. So here is the standard deviation for this month. So we'll drag it down. So here is the standard deviation. Because the computer keep using 400, 400, 400, so the standard deviation is 0. So here, the standard deviation is 200. So here is useful when you do in the statistic class. And thank you. This is my introduction.